Determine the equation of a parallel line. Directions. Find the equation of a line passing through the given point and parallel to the line represented by the given equation. Write your answer in slope-intercept form. Okay. So I want a line that's parallel to this line and goes through this point. Okay? So first, I know how to write an equation if I have a point and a slope. So the only information I need from this line is the slope. That's all I need. Okay? So I'm going to rearrange it into slope-intercept form just so I can get the slope. Okay? So the slope is 2. So now I need a line that has a slope of 2 and it goes through this point. So remember that what I can do is I can say, okay, all I need for an equation is the slope and the y-intercept. So the only information I'm missing here to write my equation is the y-intercept. So the way that I find it is I use what I know, which is I use the slope, and I use this point that I have, this x and y value, to plug in and find b. I'm getting b by itself. Okay, so now I have the slope is 2, the y-intercept is -1, so my equation is y equals mx plus b. Okay, and notice that line is parallel to this line, right? It's parallel because they have the same slope, and if I plug in this point, it works, right? It goes to this point, so if I plug in, right, 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so this is my equation. One more example. Okay, remember, I have a point, so all I need from this equation is the slope. So I'm going to rearrange it into slope-intercept form so that I can find the slope. And I'm reducing as I go, right? This is 6 over 4. Both of those can be divided by 2, so that's 3 over 2. Okay, so the slope is 3 over 2. Okay, now I want a parallel slope, so I'm going to use 3 over 2 as my slope. Okay, and I'm going to plug in my x and y value. So my y value is -1. My slope is 3 over 2 times -4 plus b. Okay, now how do I multiply this? I can pretend this is -4 over 1, right? So that's 3 times -4 is -12. And then across the bottom it would be 2 times 1. So that'd be -12 divided by 2. And notice what I'm really doing is I'm multiplying this number by the top, -12, and then dividing by the bottom. So -12 divided by 2 is -6. So 3/2 times -4 is -6. I'm going to get b by itself. And b is 5. So now I have my equation. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, again, notice it's parallel to this line, has the same slope, and it goes through this point, right? If I plug in 3/2 times -4 is -6 plus 5 is -1.